Hey there. Are you looking for a reliable partner to bring your clothing designs to life? Well, you've come to the right place. I am an apparel manufacturer with years of experience helping brands just like yours create high-quality garments from scratch. Whether you have a detailed tech pack or just a simple sketch on a napkin, my team and I can handle the entire process for you. It's from sourcing the perfect fabrics and trims to pattern making, sampling, and full-scale production runs. We've got you covered. We specialize in everything from streetwear and activewear to contemporary fashion lines. My goal is simple: to make the manufacturing process smooth, transparent, and stress-free for you. I'm passionate about quality craftsmanship and building long-term relationships with my clients. So let's chat about your project and see how we can turn your vision into a reality. Send me a message and let's get started.